Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. I just received another scrapbook.com order, so I thought I would bring you along for a fun unboxing. Now be sure to check out the description box below as I will have links to all these products, and I always appreciate when you shop my links as I do earn a small commission at no extra charge to you. So I've got a bunch of random things. Got this big packet here, and let me go ahead and take some of these out so we can start looking. First off, I am obsessed with the brand new 49 in Market Vicki Boutin collection. So I have quite a few of the Curiosities in Willow Grove. But before I start with that, this is a paper from Minte Papers called In My Craft Room. And I love the look of this, how it just looks like it's real. And so I had to have that paper. Just kind of random. Then I also have here the Vicki Boutin 49 in Market Irresistible Rub-On Transfers. There's 3 sheets, they're in white, and you can see here we've got like numbers and just like little random bits of things, very usable items. So I definitely had to have that. So then let me show you this paper. This is the new Curiosities in Willow Grove collection. I got the 6x8 paper collection. Now there's 24 sheets in here, and there's 12 double-sided sheets, and there's 2 of each of them. You can see here I do have my kitty Pepper helping me today with this unboxing, and he likes everything, so he's definitely giving it his approval here by laying on it. But I'm just going to try to flip through these papers to show you what I have. Let me pause the camera and see if I can find him something to do. All right, so he is off playing now. So let me go ahead and flip through some more of these papers. Aren't these just gorgeous? They're just so usable for like your everyday photos. And that's why I got them, is because I don't necessarily need a theme to scrapbook my everyday photos. I just want pretty papers. And so that's what I think these are. This collection is pretty papers, pretty everything. So I love it. So I thought I could use these. Even though I do 12 by 12 scrapbooking, I'm going to cut these down and just use them on my 12 by 12 pages. I'm going to set this aside and we'll move on. Now this is kind of random. I have this graduation stamp set from scrapbook.com, and they just released the dies. So I had to have the dies that matched. Then I really like this collection. Now this is from Photo Play, and this is called Christmas. What is this called? Oh my goodness. You can see here it's really pretty. Oh, Christmas Junk. That's what it's called. It's by Michelle Coleman. So there's really pretty like vintagey stuff in here, and I love it because it has those traditional colors, and I love a good traditional Christmas. So like I needed a new Christmas collection, I probably didn't, but these are so pretty. Like look at this candy cane stripe, and then we've got like the music notes paper and like print. It's just so pretty, and the florals. And then we've got this green pattern paper here, and we've got tags and little wordy bits, trees. I just love this. Now, this one's really unique. Oh, you get 2 of each. I forgot to mention that. There's 12 sheets of 12 by 12, and there's 2 of each. So, oh, this one already looks like it has mixed media on it. I love that. Like, it looks like it's layered. And this one might be my favorite. It looks like it's taken right out of like a hymnal. It's so pretty. So that is the Christmas Junk collection. There was also a sticker sheet there that I showed at the beginning that matches this collection. Now back to the 49 in Market Curiosities in Willow Grove. I've got the laser cut foliage here, so you can punch these out. I love 49 in Market laser cuts. Then I also picked up this. This is the pattern paper, or not the pattern paper, the single paper. And then I also got this. This is the brand new 49 in Market Curiosities in Willow Grove, but it's the Halloween collection. And I'm not going to open this all up, but it has lots of the Halloween paper, and it's got stickers and ephemera. And I thought that this solid paper here would also go, because right now all the 49 in Market collections, the colors all go together. So I also got some other things here. I've got this glue, which I really like the glue from scrapbook.com. So this is the Artiste glue. And then it also comes, let me see, I think it does. It comes with like this little different nozzles that you can put on the end of the glue so I can have like a fine tip, and then also like a needle to stick in there so it doesn't clog up. So I like that. And then I got a couple of the glitter brushes. So I got this orange juice, I think it's called, and then gold shimmer. I love these shimmer brushes. They are so pretty. If you ever had the Close to My Heart shimmer brushes, these ones from scrapbook.com remind me a lot of those. They're great. Then I also got these floral dies here. These are the floral trios. So that's going to be fun to use. This is super cute. These are the Whale Hello set from scrapbook.com. It's the stamps and the dies. So everything coordinates together. Whale done. Thanks a ton. I'd cross an ocean for you. Whale, congrats. Then I got these Christmas sentiments here. And I got the 6x8 paper pad here. This is the pastel, and this is the glossy cardstock. So this is really great for making your word titles. I've got lots of rub-ons here. So I've got some snowflakes, and there's black and white in this collection. And then I got these lanterns, lights and lanterns rub-ons. The sticks also included to rub these on. I've got some gold heart confetti. Then I got the cosmic rub-ons here as well. And then I'm really excited about this. This is the ghost set. So I've got lots and lots of ghosts in here and all the different sizes, and there's different faces. I've got this sunflower stamp set here. And then I've got some of these. This is the astronaut and the rocket. So that's cute. And then I also got this one that has like all the planets and things on the back. You can see here. So I got lots and lots of just more of like random stuff, but I love all of this and I cannot wait to get creating. So again, I'll have any shopping links listed down below if you're interested. And be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to subscribe so that you can see all the items that I create with this. And here comes Pepper. He just wants to say hello. I also picked up these. These are the crafty cleanup cloths. So there's 20 of them in here and they're reusable. So you can wash them and reuse them. So I'm really looking forward to that. All right. Thanks so much for watching and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.